journey begins. Cali, here we come, West Coast style. Tour of the place. Staying at this Airbnb. It's beautiful. Super excited about it. We got a ton of shit to do today. We are going heavy on filming, making that content for y'all, you know, because it's important to us. This car is pretty dope. I wouldn't buy it. It's a Maserati Ghibli. I would definitely not buy it. I think it's definitely overpriced. It's got some crazy pickup. Like crazy pickup, but the inside is like a low-end Dodge model, like a Dodge Dart, like the window mechanisms, and just like it doesn't feel like an $80,000 car. I would not purchase this car for myself, but to rent it for a few days, absolutely. So Sebastian went for a run to the beach. It's about 35 blocks. I slept in. I had some crazy dreams last night. I don't know what was
now turn right.
I just don't know, but I'm talking like, and I don't, listen, I have a, I can lucid dream. So for anybody who doesn't know what lucid dreaming is,
feet, turn left.
Lucid dreaming is where you can actually control your dreams. So like I can be in the middle of a good dream, wake up,
in 200 feet,
go get a drink,
turn left.
go back to sleep, finish that dream. It's pretty cool. But I also have the ability to finish terrible dreams as well, which isn't as cool, but I usually choose not to finish them by staying up. But last night I had some terrible fucking dreams. But that's like, it's alright, you know, dreams make me really think about life and like what I was thinking about before I went to sleep, where my head's at, because I have a firm belief that I can, I have some control over my dreams. But yeah, the meetup is tonight. Crazy excited about the meetup. We're hoping at least a dozen people will show up. I kind of feel a dozen people will show up just by the overwhelming response that we've had. So that's exciting. We love meeting with you and hanging out with you. It's really why we do this stuff. It's why we're out here. So the meetup's probably around 6-7 p.m. tonight, Pacific Standard Time. We're going to just hang out, talk business. I'm talking Amazon growth. What we teach is how to build a viable Amazon business, because anybody can sell on Amazon. I'm talking anybody. You can go to your local book sale, purchase some books, start selling those on Amazon. You can go to your local discounted store, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Ross, buy some stuff to sell on Amazon or eBay. So anybody can do that, right? But like what we teach is how to build a viable business around selling on Amazon. So you can get to a point where you have dozens of employees, a large warehouse, and like selling on Amazon goes from a side hustle to a full-time hustle. That is the name of the game for us. How to teach you to build a successful business around selling on Amazon. Now, if Amazon is just something you want to do as a side hustle, then absolutely we teach that as well. But our specialty is building Amazon businesses. We analyze profits, warehouse optimization, the whole nine. It's so in-depth. It's so exciting too. I love it. You know, sometimes I get overwhelmed when we take on a bunch of new clients because it's very time consuming. We spend a lot of time with these clients. You know, but then like after hour one, I'm just so amped up. It's like anything in my life, like even going to the gym or starting a new book, the first couple minutes, first 10-15 minutes, I'm like, oh man, another one of these, or another day at the gym. And then, you know, after I'm fucking into it, I'm ready to rock, I'm ready to roll. I'm just feeling it. I can see myself living out here. My brother used to live in San Diego, so I spent a lot of time in California, and I love it out here. It's beautiful, just the whole feeling, you know, the pump. Damn, bro, you went for the fucking triathlon run over here, bro.
An hour. I'm running an hour, bro.
We're out here right now at this meetup. We got, I don't know, 20 people here. This shit is nuts. Check this shit out.
I learned how to run a business on social media. It's all about
Flaming.
they actually are successful. They're not an e-commerce thing, you know? It gives them like, I figured out that if you listen closely, you'll hear the money talking.
Another amazing business trip in the wraps. Thousands of dollars spent on travel.
Thousands.
Dozens of relationships
Dozens.
built. Just amazing. Meetup was good.
So grateful.
Consultations were
Really good.
really good. And here we are at the LAX airport.
About to miss our flight, so Eric can record one more video for everyone.
That's how much I love you. I'm willing to miss my flight for you. Now, if that's not love, then I don't know what is.
Goodbye.
Stay late.